A proper welding cable is as important as other parts of the welding system, such as the welder or a welding gun. The welding cable is responsible for the overall application of the welding rig as it carries a very high current from the welder to the welding gun. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 welding cable on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Temco Welding Lead and Car Battery Cable. Temco is a very popular brand that has received a lot of positive feedback in the past. Therefore, its welding cable is our top pick. In the first place, we have the most reliable option from our picks for the best welding cable, that is the Temco WC0012. It is a 50 feet long cable that is capable of carrying up to 600 volts power. Although, even with such high capacity, it has a temperature resistance ranging from -58 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to +221 degrees Fahrenheit. It is a very flexible cable due to the rugged EPDM jacket on top. Therefore, you can rely on the flexibility factor of the cable and rest assured that it won't break easily. It is an annealed 30-gauge cable made of bare copper conductor. The overall nominal diameter of the cable is around 0.526 inches that is necessary to carry such high current. The conductor stranding ratio is 975/44. That makes it a great conductor cable and does not allow unnecessary resistance at any point on the cable. Along with that, it is resistant to cuts, tears, abrasion, water, oil, grease, and flame. Hence, it has great build quality. Temco is providing a lifetime warranty on its cable. Number 2. Timen Red-Black Cable. Timen is rather an underrated from our perspective as it is a very budget-friendly brand. You can get a very cheap welding cable from Timen. Our second pick for the best welding cables is the Timen 100 FT 16-gauge 2-pin 2-color red-black cable. It can be an ideal option for you if you are looking for a welding cable with the least expensive price tag. Even though it's very cheap, you will still get a 100-foot-long cable with a voltage carrying capacity of 24 volts. It is a true 16 American wire gauge cable that can be used as an extension for an LED strip without any problem. This particular cable is widely used for various DC electrical hookups and low-voltage cables. But it can also be used as in-home wiring or car stereo installation, as it is a low-loss cable. The top coating or the jacket material is made up of PVC that is very flexible and environmentally friendly. This makes the cable well protected against dampness and environmental cuts and peeling. Number 3. Windanation Welding Pure Copper Ultra Flexible Cable. Windanation has received tons of positive feedback in the past from its previous customers. Hence, it is worth checking out its welding cable. In the third position, we have a pure copper cable from Windanation. The WNI10 Arabin Florens 10-gauge 5 feet black battery welding pure copper ultra flexible cable gives you a large variety of gauges, color variants, and lengths to choose from. With any choice, you will be getting 5 pieces of 5/16-inch stud copper cable lugs, 5 pieces of inch stud copper cable lugs, and an extra 3 feet long black heat shrink tubing included in the package. The whole package is designed and manufactured in the USA. Hence, you will not find it difficult to get the cable repaired or even replaced in case you face any difficulty with the product quality or compatibility. The PowerFlex cable itself, on the other hand, is made of pure copper and it is ultra flexible due to the solvent-resistant EPDM insulation jacket. It also has SAE J1127 approval and uses annealed copper that is necessary according to ASTM standards. Number 4. GS Power Copper Clad Aluminum Zip Cord Cable. GS Power is another lesser-known name from our list. Still, it is a great option in case you want a low-voltage cable. Next up, we have an 8 Arabin Florens copper clad aluminum cable from GS Power. This is a CCA red or black bonded cable that can be either used separately or bonded together to use for higher voltage applications. Either way, you will be getting 100 feet cable in the package, where 50 feet cable is red and 50 feet cable is black. Pulling apart the cables is also a very easy task as they are not hard bonded in the packaging. These cables are automotive grade with a GPT PVC insulation on top to prevent oil or gas damage from the outside. Number 5. Windanation 6-gauge copper flexible cable wire. Windanation provides multiple options for a welding cable. Hence, we have included another Windanation cable on our list. Here is another Windanation welding cable at a very reasonable price tag. It is a 10 feet long variant with similarly strong power capacity that is up to 600 volts. All other attributes are similar to previously mentioned Windanation cables, such as high-grade EPDM insulation jackets and superior resistance to cuts, tears, abrasion, and moisture damage. The inner copper cable also has a very high stranding ratio. Combined with the EPDM coating, this cable allows exceptional flexibility that prevents accidental cuts. As it is rated up to 600 volts, it needs a very high temperature resistance that can be seen on this cable. It has -58 degrees Fahrenheit to +221 degrees Fahrenheit temperature range. As it is a pure copper cable, you can rest assured that even at maximum temperature, the cable will be safe. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you liked this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.